Okay guys, tonight we're going to Jodhpur's night market and we're waiting for a grab. We should be here any second. Hey, you like Chelsea? Chelsea football team? What's your name, my friend? Shafi.
Yeah.
Okay. Sweden. And I make content. Okay guys, so we're on the highway now, going to the supermarket, night market. Wind is blowing nice. Okay guys, we just made it to Jodhpur's night market in Rachada. So basically it's like a lot of food around here, all types of food. They sell clothes as well. Grab something to eat and we'll check out some clothes later. I'm gonna buy like real Thai style. I don't know what this is, but looks like egg. What is this, egg? Only egg? Okay. And we have some live music here. We want like a plate. Hi, I'm checking out. Everything is spicy here?
Everything is spicy, okay, not spicy, okay.
Okay. Let's go over to the next one. Thai clothes that I was talking about. I like the blue color. We're gonna come back to that later. Okay, so here we have like chicken noodles. This sounds very good. Let's move on. Pad Thai cube. Also you have like different ones. Chicken, prawn, chicken, pork, and cow. I don't know what you call it. Okay, for the Pad Thai. Thank you. So now we need to find a place where we can sit. It's like full everywhere. Just gonna grab somewhere. Excuse me, anyone sitting here? Nobody. Can I slide in? Sure. Thank you. Okay guys, we just finished the food. Now we want to grab some clothes maybe. So we're like in a... I think this is for ladies. Hey, this one looks fly, but it's like kids size. To me, this looks like for women.
This is only for women.
Yeah, but this...
This is the man. This is the man. Unique sex. This is a unique sex. This is a unique sex. Unique sex.
Okay.
Only for women.
Yeah. Do you have like shirts to this?
Yeah, this one has.
What's the prices?
100 baht this one.
Okay, and for shirt?
250.
250 total.
Total 350.
350. Okay. What colors you have? Black and blue. Total. I give you 250 for them.
You go for that.
Okay, guys, he didn't like it, so I mean 350 baht for both of these. Quite pricey. When you go on different markets, you can find like 100 both shirt and shorts for 150, 200 baht. But this guy, he wants 350. And then he's like, okay, you get it for 300? I'm like, no, 200. Hello. What's your price for shirt and short?
250.
250. Okay. So do you have like medium size for men, no?
For men.
Yes. Okay, what colors you have? Black and blue? Also, you only have blue? Ah, okay. Shirt? Sorry, short. I need matching colors, you know. Where I try? Here? Okay. Hey guys, we're gonna put down the camera here. These look good. Beautiful dress. Pants and shirt. Let's go. We're gonna take this. Thank you. Okay guys, so we just got it. A new outfit. I will put it on tomorrow or something. But we got it done. Now, you see the price difference? The first guy, he wanted like 350 baht for the same clothes. And then I just go to the next one and they give me for 250. And this is my friend.
Yeah. Welcome to Thailand.
Yes. Thank you, my friend. Okay. See you. Yeah, this guy, he was it was actually off camera, but he was trying to sell me ping pong show. I told him no, I'm good. Then we started talking, like it's like your first time in Thailand. Then he told me, you know Alexander Isak? I'm like, yeah, the football player. He's like, yeah, I like him. Yeah, he was a cool guy. This market, man, it's a lot of food. Hello. I want to try. Which one do you recommend? Okay, let's go with the barbecue. Thank you. How much? 69. Okay guys, so we got it, like some potato, Man, I don't know what to say. I'm just floating around here. I don't know what I'm looking for. Tried some different foods. Okay guys, I just tried the strong chicken from the street food. Check this out. I think it's called Noe's Grill. I think I found something I want to try. This one. They have like 3 different ones. Pork, chicken, and beef. We're gonna go with the chicken. So we take this one. So they already finished? Done? Ready?
Half cooked.
Okay, I take one chicken. Oh, nice. Guys, tastes really good. Good spices. And this strong motherfucker. What's your name?
Name Noi.
Name Noi?
And the chopper barbecue Noi.
Nice. That's really good.
Okay.
Homemade.
Homemade, yes. I
100%.
make it.
Perfect. The
Alright.
spice is good. Everything is nice.
Okay.
Okay.
Thank you.
As you can see, it's like a full stop of cars here. Let's see what it's all about. If you can find some nice food to eat. Want real food, like crabfish or something. Guys, look at this grilled squid. This looks tasty. Man, this city really lights up at the evening or night. Hey, what is this? Tourist police? Did you guys see that car? It looked, I don't know, like a toy. Okay guys, so we're at the next place. It's almost like the last one. But this time around we're gonna try shrimp. I paid about 100 baht for this. So let's see if it's good. Yeah, let's go. No, say hello.
Hello, you want the fuck lady boy, man?
No. You're crazy, man. Telling you guys, Thailand is crazy sometimes. Like certain areas when you move around, is you meet some special types. Oh, massage? Maybe later. Thank you. So yes, we just got a spot. Now we're just waiting for the food. Yes, really good. Thank you. Food good? Good. Thank you.
Where are you from?
Sweden. Yes.
I'm Indonesia.
From Indonesia?
Indonesia.
Nice. I wanna see Indonesia sometime.
Oh yeah.
You're here on vacation?
Yes.
This your sister? Friend?
Correct.
Ah, nice. I have to explore the world,
Yeah.
so I travel.
Thailand or?
Yes, now I've been in Thailand. I come February 27. So only a couple of days.
Going to Pattaya?
Maybe Phuket later. But now I like Bangkok, but big city, so much to see.
Which city then Indonesia? No?
If I've been to Indonesia? No, I want to see it sometime.
Oh, Bali.
Yes, Bali. Yeah, popular. No, it's good to talk to you. Okay guys, so we just got the food. It's chicken soup with noodles, and we're gonna try it out now. But sometime I want to go to Indonesia as well.
Bali. Jogja.
Bali,
Jogja.
Jogja,
Jakarta.
Jakarta. Yes, of course.
I come from Jakarta.
You are from Jakarta? Nice. Woo, very hot.
You must go to Bali.
Yes, but a lot of tourists in Bali, no? But I like to go to places where I can talk with locals, like local people, not only tourists. How long do you have vacation?
6 days.
6 weeks.
6 days.
6 days.
You must go to Jogja. Jogja is traditional spirit.
Where?
Jogja.
Jogja.
Yogyakarta.
Jogjakarta. I can learn to speak Indonesian. Selamat pagi. Selamat pagi. Okay.
Good night. Selamat malam. Thank you. Terima kasih.
But Indonesia a big like Muslim country, no?
Yeah. But we are
No spicy. No spicy. Oh, no spicy.
Christian, okay. Take a bit of chili. What did you say it was?
Like Toba, the place in Cockfighting International.
Cockfighting International. Okay.
And Toba, Bali, Jogja.
Aha, okay, now I see. I only come here to eat. But you here to shop?
Ah,
To finish the food. We are about to pay. Huh? Yes. What about you? Okay, where are you from? Indonesia. Sweden. I only been here for like 4 days. Here.
We just arrived and we
Oh.
go back.
Yes. Ah, okay. So I get it. So you only stay one night. But wait, you say you only stay one night here in Bangkok, but you have very big bag for one night. Ah, shopping. Ah, you like shopping. Thank you. Very good food. Bye. Okay, guys, that was nice. We just enjoyed ourselves. Had good food. Talked to some people. Nothing too crazy, but I just like the basic interactions with people. Now, first, older ladies was from Indonesia, and the second one, younger girls, was also from Indonesia. As you heard, they said that they were gonna just stay one day in Bangkok, and they were here to shop. But man, she had a big bag for only one night in Bangkok. That was crazy. Now, on to massage. Okay, guys, gonna take foot massage.
How are you today?
Good.
Today you sick?
Yeah, better.
Today you family you alone?
Here? Yeah.
Yeah.
Yes, here.
Family.
Family in Sweden. Did you travel anything or you travel a lot?
Yes.
Okay. Did you go to Sweden? Okay. Massage, massage, ka! Massage, ka! Kapung ka! Sabay di! Okay. Okay, guys. So we just got our massage. We did foot massage and shoulder massage. Now, I didn't get the video on the shoulder massage because there was like no good angle for me to do it. So I had to skip that part. Cafeteria, we can pay Uno card. Hey.
How are you?
Good, you?
Nice.
People live here?
What?
Cafe or?
Okay, this one.
Yeah, this here inside the apartment or?
No.
What is this?
Kaison.
Kaison?
Yes.
What is kaison? Aha, chicken.
Chicken, yes.
Oh, okay.
Chicken boxing.
Chicken boxing. You mean like fight?
Yeah, with fight me.
Chicken fight here?
Yes.
What time? Now?
One. Now.
Okay, can I check?
Yeah, okay.
Hey, what's your name, man?
I Sung.
Sung.
Yes.
Aladdin.
Yeah, Aladdin.
Yes.
You come from?
Sweden.
Sweden. Oh.
Yeah. But you mean this is like chicken fight?
Yeah, chicken fight.
Can you like show me around and tell me about it?
Okay, this one I show you. This one.
Okay. So first you clean and then fight?
Yeah.
Aha, okay. So this like boxing gloves.
Yeah.
He kill other chicken?
Yes.
Okay. First time for me to watch this.
Yes.
And this interesting. Okay, so he ready? Nice. You watch Muay Thai fighting as well?
Yes.
You have any favorite fighter?
Rốt thẳng.
Notang? What weight class? Like light, heavyweight, small, big?
Small.
So they have names? This one?
Uman Ngân.
Umam name?
Uman Ngân.
Okay.
Yes. Robert.
Oh, so this one is Robert, guys. Ah, like Muay Thai fighter.
Okay.
Yeah, good protection. Okay, guys, so the chicken fight is about to start. It's interesting to see.
มันสูงขนาดนี้แล้วมันอ้วนนายอย่างนี้แบบแย่งทางอย่างนี้แล้ว
กันตัวพี่ไว้กันตัวพี่ไว้
They don't want to fight.
โอ้กันกูขายให้มึง
I don't know what's going on, guys, but it seems like one of the chickens don't want to fight. That was a bit unfortunate, guys. There will be no cockfighting. But anyways, interesting. It's like these random moments where you just go walk by near random alleys, or like me, walking along the train tracks, meeting interesting people. Hello. You live here? Nice. Do you like people live here in the area, like at the train tracks? Ah, okay. How long you stay here? Many years. Ah, nice. Yeah, so it's kind of hard to get good interactions with some locals. This was like a older guy. It's crazy. It's just like a few meters along the train tracks, and you're seeing a big difference in people and people here. Just a few meters, you have like people who's like poor and don't have like apartments, and they live like yeah, you just saw. And then you walk a few meters, you're right in the center of the city again, with all the hotels, luxury stuff. So like this Indian food. Nice. Okay, I'll come back to this. I need to go to hotel first. I will ride one of the tuk-tuks someday, but for now we only do Grab. So I think the plan now is that we leave the clothes at the room, and then we head out and check out some bar or something. Let's get out of this market, man. Okay guys, so we're heading back now with a taxi. Got our Grab bike here. Now to the hotel now. Then we're gonna mess around with the lady boys.